Blue Canoe helps non-native English speakers improve their pronunciation and business communication with customers and colleagues. It's an engaging mobile app with a variety of games and activities that uses a proven brain-based methodology called the color vowel system, combined with speech recognition and machine learning to rewire the brain's library of language sounds. Each activity is intentionally designed to use multiple parts of the brain, including verbal, visual, music or rhythm, and kinesthetic learning. The color vowel system starts by focusing on the two most important things about pronouncing English: the color of the main vowel sound of each word and where to put the stress. Each of the 14 vowel sounds of English are named with a color and an icon of an everyday object that shares the same vowel sound. For example, the E sound in words like check and develop is named red pepper. Red pepper check. Red pepper develop. With the color vowel system, we can find the main stressed syllable of each word, pair it with its matching color vowel and icon, and let learners play their way to better pronunciation. In fact, in just 10 minutes of play each day, players see significant improvement. Let's take a look at the app. Color It Out is a card game you play against the computer. Play a card with a matching color, then record yourself speaking the color, icon, and word on each of the matching cards. This is called your 6-word spoken turn.
Red pepper again. Red pepper deadline.
The app provides immediate feedback on how you did, including specific corrections based on your spoken turn.
Listen to the anchor phrase and say it out loud with me. Red pepper, red pepper, red pepper, eh. Ready?
Red pepper, red pepper, red pepper, eh.
The player and the computer take turns until one player is out of cards. Whoever runs out of cards first wins. In this next activity, a game called Sort It Out, players compare two vowel sounds at once and sort words into the correct categories.
Green tea, E. Blue moon, oo.
Sort It Out is a performance game in which players sort words by their stressed vowel sound. They say the words to themselves, then swipe each word to the color vowel category they think best matches the stressed vowel sound of the word in play. At the end of each round, they can review their words to see which ones they still need to work on. If you're not sure how to pronounce a new word, you can immediately look it up in the Blue Canoe Pronunciation Dictionary.
Silver pin, I. Optimistic.
There's also a video player where we share more about pronunciation topics, and a color vowel chart to review the colors and icons for each vowel sound. Stay tuned for additional games and activities coming soon from Blue Canoe.